love going to concerts, but sometimes that loud music for too long will leave a ringing or buzzing in my ear that is so frustrating, especially when you want to break from it. Now, ringing in your ear most of the time will go away, but it's a good idea to talk to your doctor about it if it doesn't, because it could be the sign of something else. But after you spoke to your doctor, I have some hacks to decrease that annoying sound in your ear. Noise machines or sound therapy will actually help distract you from the sound of that buzzing and ringing. I avoid triggers like salt and alcohol and certain medications, which also will make that ringing so much worse. Decreasing stress and anxiety is also important, so meditation and therapy will also help you as well. The next time you have that ringing in your ear, I hope you try some of these hacks. Come back for more Hack Your Health videos from The Well by Northwell.